Domino Effect.
One late bill led to fees, then stress, then more missed payments.
So, the first problem kept knocking into the next one.
That is the domino effect.
In a connected system, one small trigger can set off a much bigger chain.
Some events matter because they start sequences. When parts are tightly linked, a small push can travel far. Emotional effect.
I was already upset, and then I said the whole restaurant was terrible.
Was the food actually that bad?
Maybe not. I think my mood spilled into my judgment.
That happens. Feelings can color how we rate things.
People do not always judge from neutral evidence. An unrelated emotion can make something seem better or worse than it really is. Positioning.
Our product is good, but customers still look confused.
Then they do not know what it is for or why it matters.
A product competes in the mind before it wins in the market.
So, clear positioning tells people the role it should play for them.
Positioning is about the place a product holds in a customer's mind. Clear identity makes the value easier to understand and remember. Hot stove rule.
Why did the manager give the same warning to the senior employee and the new one?
Because the same rule was broken.
Fair discipline should hit the action, not the person.
Otherwise, it turns into favoritism or personal grudges.
The hot stove rule says consequences should be clear, consistent, and impersonal. Fairness depends on applying the rule to the behavior itself. Locke's law.
Telling myself to run better never helped.
What happened when you aimed for a specific time?
I trained harder and tracked my pace.
Clear, challenging goals, focus effort, better than vague wishes.
Specific goals usually work better than fuzzy ones. The target should be hard enough to matter, but still believable enough to pursue. Watch law.
The team got 2 top priorities from 2 bosses, and then everything stalled.
More guidance made them less sure.
2 watches can tell 2 different times. Exactly. Extra information does not help if it conflicts, and nobody knows which one wins.
More signals are not always more clarity. When standards clash, people can become slower and more confused. Primacy effect.
I heard one bad story about him first, and now every good thing sounds suspicious.
First impressions can frame the rest.
Even when the later evidence is better?
Yes, early information often gets extra weight.
What comes first can shape how everything after it is interpreted. The opening impression often sticks harder than later details. Deci effect.
I used to draw for fun. Then every drawing became a contest prize, and now I do not feel like drawing.
The reward changed the reason.
When people feel controlled by rewards, enjoyment can shrink.
Especially if they already liked the activity before the prize showed up.
External rewards can sometimes weaken internal motivation. The activity starts to feel like a transaction instead of a choice. Flywheel effect.
We did not grow from one giant move. We just kept improving delivery, service, and repeat orders.
And now each improvement helps the next one.
That is why it suddenly looks easy from the outside. The momentum came from many small pushes in the same direction.
Big breakthroughs often look sudden, but they build gradually. Repeated aligned improvements create momentum over time. Veblen effect.
That bag got more popular after the price went up.
I thought higher prices usually reduce demand.
Usually they do. But luxury goods can use price as part of the appeal.
The cost itself signals status and exclusiveness.
Under the Veblen effect, an expensive price can attract buyers instead of scaring them off. The product gains value by showing wealth or rarity.